Hey YouTube family, thank you guys so much again for coming back to watch a video from me. I really truly appreciate the love and the support. So as usual, I'm here to do my VeganCuts subscription box monthly review. Is they send you beauty products that are supposed to be, well, that not supposed to be, that are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and basically overall healthier for your skin. And if you guys don't know already, the reason why I have this subscription box is because I committed last year to try to make more conscious and more healthy decisions for my skin, which in turn will make me healthier in the long run, basically. So this is the subscription box for January. Sorry the video is late, but I was sick for a while in case you guys didn't know. Long story, but I have my January box here, and I will go through it with you guys now. I got 5 items this month. So the first one is called Earth Lab Cosmetics. It is an all-natural aloe vera based mascara made with organic ingredients. And that one has a $25 value. So this is a mascara right here. Right there. And I'm going to be honest, you guys, because that's what it's all about. I have opened this mascara already to try it. And I really can't do a full review or to say if I like it or not, only because, in my opinion, and I'm going to show you, there's no product in here. I don't know if there's no product or if it dried out, but there was nothing. So let me show you. Alright, so let's do a test. Fresh out the container, you see that there's product down here. So there is something in there, but let's see. There is product on the tip right here, so that's where you're getting that line from, you see. But on the actual bristles, nothing comes off on my hand. Let's try it down here. From the actual bristles, what you're seeing is from the tip down here or down here. But the actual bristles, nothing comes off on my hand. When I tried to apply this as a mascara, I basically did not see any change. So I don't know what to think about it, because I use it to basically comb out my lashes, not necessarily to apply mascara. So this one, nah. Next on the list is Lache Butter Whips. It is handmade body scrub crafted to soften and smooth skin, and that one has a $1.50 value, and it is butter whips. So it's always hard trying. That's what it looks like. Let's open it. Smells good. I mostly smell the essential oil, and the one that I'm picking up the most is patchouli essential oil, and like a citrusy scent at the same time, like a citrusy essential oil. So not bad. Has a nice whipped consistency right there. Try it. Ooh, very mousse-like consistency. It's very creamy. It feels moisturizing at the same time while I'm putting it on. And I can feel like the little droplets. I'm not sure if it's sugar or salt scrub. Let's see. Yes, it's sugar scrub. Sugar crystals. It feels good. I like this one. Really nice. I washed it off, so my skin feels very smooth. It feels really nice. And it leaves my hand with a glow. Like, this is the hand that I put it on. This is the hand without it. So you can see it gives me a nice glow. I like it. That one is good. The third product is Wasabi Sabai Botanicals. It's a 3-in-1 facial cleanser mask and scrub made with all natural and organic ingredients, and that one has an $8 value. It is 3-in-1. It is a facial cleanser, a mask, and a scrub. So basically 3 products in one bottle. I haven't used it yet, but when I do, I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, next product, number 4, is Orbi Organics Signature Facial Moisturizing Treatment that replenishes and restores a youthful glow, which is this right here. Right here. Now, this product I have been using for a while now because I had the box for a while and I didn't get to do the video, but I did start using this. I must say I love this product. How I use it is in the morning after I wash my face after taking a shower, I apply this as my daytime moisturizer. And as you guys know, for my nighttime moisturizer, I have my Alafia moisturizer, which I love. But as a daytime moisturizer, before I apply my makeup, I've been using this one, and so far, so good. Do like this product. I love it, love it, love it. I enjoy this product a lot. As soon as you apply it, this is the applicator, by the way. Let's do this hand. This is how it comes out. It looks very runny and very liquidy, but it absorbs in your skin very, very fast. It is very absorbent in your skin, and right away. The smell just is very calming and very soothing. I find that the scent is very smoothing and calming, so I do appreciate that one. And the fifth and last product, it's like 2-in-1. It's the Jojoba Company Luxury Skincare made with jojoba oil to keep your skin looking vibrant and youthful. And that one has a $6 value. So this is like 2 products in one. I see oil and I see like a moisturizer. So let's open it up. So the first one here is the Gentle Cleansing Balm, which is this right here. And you basically apply to your face, rinse off with warm water, and it's supposed to dissolve makeup and impurities. Yeah, it's basically to clean the skin out. This product here. It doesn't have much of a scent to me. Oh, it's sealed, that's why I can't smell it. Okay, let's open it. That would make sense. There we go, now it's open. It smells like I don't know, like lotion. It's not fruity, it's more organic, but just like lotion. The scent doesn't do anything for me, so next thing that came with it, it is the 100% natural ultimate jojoba oil. This is called the Youth Potion. So basically when I put this on, I will stay youthful forever. Visibly smooth fine lines and wrinkles, provides deep moisturization, naturally rich in protein antioxidants, high in CoQ10, naturally rich in vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and F. The ultimate multivitamin for the skin. So this claims to do everything for your skin. Everything. It is 100% natural, ultimate jojoba oil. So basically after I use this, I think I will turn back to baby stage. Like I just become a baby immediately, curled up, skin smooth, no wrinkle, no dry spot, no acne, and no dark circles. So this better turn me into a baby once I use this, or else I'm returning everything. Okay? So overall, I'm happy with the box. Once again, this is from VeganCuts. This is not a sponsored video or an affiliate video. This product that I purchased with my own money and I invested in with my own money. No connection to VeganCuts at all. If you're interested, I'll leave the website information below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the love and the support. And once again, don't forget to always enjoy your journey. All my social media links are down below if you guys want to keep in touch with me. Bye.